Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday. Yesterday I was extremely busy. Morning video, farmer's market. I had a meeting before the farmer's market. Then I went grocery shopping at Winco, which is being torn apart because they're remodeling. And then it went just on and on and on and on. I worked on the spice library and so forth. Today is June 1st, and I'd like to talk about May for just a second. In May, I prepared 16 international recipes. I'm well on my way in the culinary expedition. Yeah. To end the month of May, I prepared a Brazilian dish. I'm not even going to try the Spanish. Thank God I have a English. Brazilian fish stew. Oh, this is a very good dish. It's simple, but the ingredients are important. You can use whichever firm white fish you prefer. I did the Chilean sea bass, but the spices are spot on this. This is a really good dish, and I served it with the lime rice, which you didn't see. But I will post up the recipe. This is a good one. I will repeat this one. I decided to go. I switched some things around in my menu schedule this week. I needed to just do something super simple, so I swapped Sunday and Monday. Tonight I'm preparing French onion beef sloppy joes, a nice little twist on an American classic. Let's just get to it. Simple hardware, saute pan. That's it. I'll need a sheet pan later, and I'll tell you why in a minute. Half pound, this is 93% ground beef, a little bit of oil, kosher salt, black pepper. Of course, for French onion, you gotta have onion. I'll be slicing up this yellow onion. Garlic, Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, some whole dried thyme. I'm showing a mozzarella cheese, but I need to go back to Winco because I need to pick up a side for tonight because it was hectic. It was super hectic at Winco. So I will be swapping this out with a Swiss cheese, probably slices, and brioche bread because you know me and sloppy joes, I always serve it on bread, not buns. So here are the goodies for the French onion sloppy joes. And when I go back to Winco this morning, I'll be picking up some French fries. That's simple. French fries and Swiss cheese. So this is the first day of June. It was really hot here yesterday in Sutter County, California. Thank God my AC works. So on this day, have a great day, eat great food, and as always, my friends, have fun cooking.